Time is very important. Time means money for the traders. We can't even think of wasting a single second, Currently, we do not have the space. We are relying on the temporary shed. All the government officials are scattered. So after coming up with the dry port in Pasaka, traders doesn't have to move from one place to another.
Cellphone the Apple phone is export bidol Bangladesh to India rula. Ngagi export be dibe pilo chuni chu siasi sinimila niton jile gosuk di taras no ko bedre yuse anchina. Yuga khablu te sa Apple lo cellphone dus chap nale pha Bangladesh lu nale India lu ton bo lu jeni ma bakangi kanemi sinimila. Te tana traffic da anile nyama chi gekha chunguchi be pinsulindi nimbuta khara ma je kana nalu lamdu traffic jam be an begale te gargi problem an du.
Once the mini dry port is constructed, the main aim of the project would be to decongest the core area, divert the heavy traffics to one location. All the business of clearing agents, everything will be done there. Transshipment will be done there. The second component of the project is Northern Bypass Road. The road at Phunchuling Thimpu turning will be again connected by yet another new bridge through this Northern Bypass. The land customs station at Pasaka is again aimed to decongest the heavy traffic in Phunchuling area.